Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Street Talk. Here, we help learners improve their English for real-life situations, especially workplace conversations. You will see natural conversations and learn how professionals speak English at work. If you want to improve your confidence in professional English, you are in the right place. Hi, I am Sophia. Today, we are doing something a little different. We are not talking to a random stranger. Today, we are speaking with a civil engineer. We will practice professional English used at work. If you are a student, engineer, or working professional, this video is for you. Remember, clear English is more important than perfect English. So, let's start. Hi, what's up?
I am fine.
That's good to hear. May I talk to you for a few minutes? We are recording short professional English conversations for learning purposes.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you very much. This will be a professional conversation, just like at work, so please feel relaxed. Great! Can you tell us your name?
My name is Sam.
Nice to meet you, Sam.
Nice to meet you too.
What do you do?
I'm a civil engineer.
How long have you been working as a civil engineer?
I've been working in this field for about 5 years.
Can you briefly introduce yourself professionally?
Sure. My name is Sam, and I'm a civil engineer with several years of field experience. I really enjoy my work because every day brings new challenges.
What area of civil engineering do you work in?
I mainly work in building construction and site supervision.
Do you mostly work on site or in the office? Comment below which one you enjoy the most.
I mostly work on site, but I also handle drawings, reports, and planning work in the office.
So your job involves both field and technical work.
Yes, exactly.
Can you explain your daily work routine?
I usually start my day by reviewing drawings and schedules. Then I inspect the site, check work quality, and coordinate with contractors and workers.
What tools or equipment do you commonly use at work?
I use measuring tools, construction drawings, a safety helmet, and sometimes surveying instruments.
Safety is very important on construction sites, right?
Yes, absolutely. We always follow safety rules to avoid accidents.
How important is English communication in your work?
English is very important. We use it for emails, reports, meetings, and communication with clients and consultants.
So clear English helps avoid misunderstanding.
Yes, clear communication saves time and prevents mistakes.
What do you do when a problem happens on site?
First, I analyze the problem. Then, I discuss it with my team, and we find a practical and safe solution.
That shows strong teamwork and leadership skills. How do you improve your professional skills?
I keep learning through experience, reading technical documents, and improving my communication skills, especially English.
That's a great mindset for career growth. What advice would you give to students or professionals in any field?
They should focus on practical knowledge, gain site experience, and improve their communication skills, especially English.
Very valuable advice. Thank you so much, Sam. It was great talking to you. To all our viewers, professional English is not about difficult words. It's about clear, confident, and respectful communication. Practice simple English daily, and you'll see improvement. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy English Street Talk. See you in the next video.